Hey look! Making money with a cash cow YouTube channel is pretty much easier. If you're a newbie, let me tell you that when we were about to make a cash cow YouTube channel, we realized that it wasn't that easy to rely on any random video or a channel. The reason is, we have seen a lot of content made on how to exactly start a YouTube cash cow channel. But actually, these channels give a lot of misinformation, and many of them didn't even explain the procedure for it. How to exactly work on a faceless channel. So, in today's video, we have explained the complete strategy and the process of making a cash cow channel step by step. Either you're a student, beginner, or want to earn money as a side income, you need to watch this video. Plus, watch the video till the end because I have given a brainstorming idea to get your channel monetized really fast. Let me ask you this. What do you guys think? What should be our next giveaway? Comment down below and let us know what you guys want us to bring in the upcoming giveaway. We'd love to hear from you. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So, let's begin with the brainstorming niche ideas. Yes, your very first step is to go to Google search bar and type all hobbies. Here you have numerous categories of hobbies enlisted like makeup, art craft, cuisine, gardening, knitting, photography, hiking, drawing, sewing, and a lot more. Let me ask you, what's your hobby? Or what would you like to do in your spare time? Let us know in the comment section below. Alright, so we were discussing that at the very first and the beginning of it, you have to bring some fancy and brilliant niche ideas. And one of the options is to choose from your hobbies. Do you know what's the reason? If you love to do something like, let's say, makeup or hiking, then you create awesome content for your videos because you're interested in that particular category. Well, you can search for the categories on Google in which you're interested or sure about you can carry that niche for a long period of time. Well, if you have plenty of options and don't know which one you should adopt first, then check out the next step and make sure you've liked the video, so you can save it and easily note down the points wherever you're confused. Step number 2. Finalizing your niche. Choosing a niche can be easy, but finalizing it by keeping in view certain facts is somehow hard. Come on, let's finalize your niche. So, you might have some options right away, right? Alrighty. Do you know their CPM? Well, you could select your niche based on CPM, viewership, or income stream. So, what is a CPM? CPM is basically cost per mile, meaning that you would be getting that specified revenue per 1,000 views. Alright, so you can select your niche by first checking the CPM of your niche option. I have some niches with their estimated CPMs, but that's the estimated figure. I'm going to show you just for an example. You can make a lot more than that, really. For example, the finance niche has a CPM of $25+, health has $15+, and insurance has a CPM of $50+. As I have already mentioned, that is just an estimate and you can earn a lot more. Let me show you an example channel. Bestie is a health-based channel, meaning that they are working on the health niche, and if you go to Social Blade and type Bestie, then see their earnings. Oh my gosh! Guys, they're earning more than $37,000 per month, and see the number of views here. They have got more than 9.2 million views for the last 30 days. I guess now you're motivated? Kidding. Okay, another option is to select your niche on the basis of viewership. For this, go to YouTube and write, let's say, makeup, and simply click on the search button. Here, see these millions of views on each video. Okay, let me clear one thing. If you don't know how to do a great makeup, for example, then it's no big deal because we will give you a brilliant tip to outsource the entire video on a low budget. So you don't have to bear all the headaches. You can simply choose the niche that you feel will get more views in less time. Or thirdly, check out the income streams of different niches. Well, from income streams, we mean the niche that can provide regular income, even if you're not interested in that niche. If it has more and regular income streams, work on it. Here, you can apply the same trick of hiring people to get your work done. But I have a better option than hiring different people, of course. Want to know? Stay connected. I'll let out soon. Step number 3. Generate content ideas. So, we're moving to the third step that you must consider to make a great cash cow channel. Now, generate content ideas. But what does it mean exactly? Well, there are typically so many ways to generate your content or make videos, as you can opt for the whiteboard animation or stock footage editing for lower budget options. But mind it, this low budget option can bring a huge change to your channel statistics. That's why it's said that you have to be consistent and keep analyzing your views, CTR and all that. As we all know, a cash cow YouTube channel is mostly that we're not interested in, but created simply to profit from. So we have to keep an eye on each detail like editing, title, keyword SEO, and more. Alright, how and what type of content you're gonna create totally depends on your niche. But still, as you don't want to show your face, so you can go for infographic animation too. It's brilliant. Step 4. Find fully optimized channel keywords. The next thing is to search out fully optimized keywords for your channel. There are too many ways, but I'll recommend my personal 2 methods. First method. So, if you don't want to use any tool, then simply go to YouTube and write your niche. Let's say if it is gadgets, search it and then go to filters and search for the channel. Click on it and YouTube will show all the channels related to gadgets. Click on any of them that you feel is doing great. Like I'm going to click on it. New Tech Gadgets. Now, go to their home section and right click there and select View Page Source. Now, press Ctrl+F from your keyboard. A search bar will appear. Write keywords and press Enter. Now it would highlight the channel's optimized keywords. You can simply copy these keywords if your niche is the same. Second method. Another way is to use an online free tool to search for keywords. Go to Google and type vidIQ, search for it. Once you're on the page, sign up here or simply sign up with Google. Now from the top bar, click on keywords. Here, enter your keyword, let's say really, and it will show you the search level and the volume and the competition level on that keyword. Step 5. Finalizing your video topics. Alright, before you actually start working on your channel, we recommend you finalize your topics. It will be a plus point, and this way you can upload your videos consistently on your channel. Don't know how to finalize or even find ideas for your videos? Don't worry! This is simply my favorite part of the video for the viral video ideas. What you have to do is simply go to YouTube and write your niche idea. For example, I'm gonna write gadgets here. If you want to hit more keywords related to gadgets, then after typing this single word, hit the space button and here you go. YouTube will show you more keywords that people are searching for. Now, go back to vidIQ and click on keywords. That is after you've, opened the notepad and saved all these keywords. So if you want to install a pro version of vidIQ, you can get it for just $10. Step number 6, content production. Well, content is the king. I'm sure you've heard it before, but when you'll start implementing the tips and make your own cash cow channel, you'll feel it. Okay, so obviously you have multiple options to create high quality content, like doing it all by yourself or simply hiring people. Now here's what I was talking about. Hiring different people contains a lot of investment and potential, so the better option is to hire one person to get your work all done. Let me tell you first how you can produce your content yourself. For scripts, I would suggest using Quora forums or top-rated Google articles. So let's start practicing, eh? Open Google and write your topic, for example, Top 10 Gadgets on Amazon Quora. Here, when you reach the pages, you will see lots of people have posted informative articles related to top gadgets, so you can easily take ideas from it. Now, for adding voiceover, you can record your pretty voice to narrate your video wherever you've written in your script. You just have to read it out with full expressions, kind of like how I've been doing. Kind of self-meta, isn't it? For this, you will be needing a good microphone that can cost you around $50 to $100, like Snowball. Then you are supposed to edit your video, and for this purpose you have many options like Adobe Premiere Pro, Camtasia, and more. I would suggest you use Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can use websites like Unsplash, Pixabay, Weedeasy, or any other to get free copyright-free videos for your videos. Guys, you can also get free intro and outro by using Panzoid. This is a website that will allow you to get free custom intros and outros. Step 7. Upload and optimized. Congrats, you've already passed all the crucial steps, so when you have all the essential information and content, head over and blow up your channel. Upload your content with the optimization strategies. Keep watching this video because it's very informative and very important, and those steps will help you reach the initial growth of your channel. Now, locate your video folder on your computer, rename the videos with the main title as I'm going to name it Top 10 Gadgets on Amazon. Now drag one of the videos on YouTube and upload it here. So now you just have to fill the title, the description box, and put some tags. As far as the title is concerned, put something catchy, like along the words of the main keyword. When you come to write a description, make sure to write at least 150 or 200 word paragraphs and must include the main keyword along with the similar ones. Step 8. Get your content monetized. In order to get your content monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube. Well, you can easily run ads on your videos if you're getting content from high-quality cash cow creators, or you can use an affiliate marketing strategy as well. No matter what niche you're in, you can still promote links. Don't know how? Come, I'll show you. Go back to Google and search for Offer Vault. Here, write down your niche, for example, make money online. As you can see, Offer Vault will display a lot of offers related to it, and here are different networks that offer us commissions on promoting their products. Just sign up to any network that you find suitable. Get your link, add it in your description, and that is it. You're all set to go. Step 9. Analyze. Now analyze your video and keep checking your analytics. If you feel like changing a thumbnail or even tags, do it on the spot. Never let your stats down. That was all for today's video. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up on this video. Also, you can share your queries here in the comment section or contact us on Instagram. Just click on the link in the description. We'll be back with more. Up till then, stay tuned.